Everybody, this is Jack. Jack, say hello to everybody. Oh, you got a little runny nose there, Jack. Oh, let me get you a Kleenex. Welcome back, and welcome back to the Baby Alive Daycare.
Did you say foot?
No, I did not say foot. So guys, today we're just hanging out. We've got Liam and Emily and Kitty and Isla. Oh wow, look at the instruments these guys are playing. Wow, look at this. That's a great tune, guys. Yeah, so we're just hanging out, having some fun. Today is our play time right now. Liam, what are you playing with, buddy? I'm playing with my dinosaur. Oh, your dinosaur's gonna get your ring, Emily. Yum, 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 yum.
Stop it, Liam.
Liam, she doesn't want you to do that, buddy. Okay.
I light up my
yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, guys, so the kids are just playing, but now it's time for nap time.
Yeah.
And guess what, guys? Esme's coming back for another day. Esme? Esme's coming back? Yep, Esme's coming back, Liam. And we also have a new kid today. A new Baby Alive boy, and his name is Jack. I don't like boys. Boys are yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Oh, Kitty, maybe you like him. He's a sweet little boy. So he's going to come and play after our nap time, okay? All right, guys, so let's get ready for our nap time.
No.
Okay, guys, the kids are finally settled in for nap time. All right, guys, everybody's up from their nap. They had a long nap today. It was like an hour. So what are you guys doing? We're playing with the snakes. You guys are playing so nicely. Good job. Oh, I think I think it's Esme. Oh, hi, Esme. Oh, so nice to see you again. You look so cute. Come on in. Oh, what do you got? Oh, you got your lunch pail?
Yeah.
Perfect. And what time are you going to be back?
1 o'clock.
Okay, come on, Esme. No, I want my mommy. I don't want you to go.
Hey, just give me a hug.
No. Liam's here. He is so excited to see you. Come on in, buddy. Esme? Esme! Yay! Hi, Esme!
Liam, come back.
Let's take your hat off. Woo! I like your hair. It looks so cute, buddy. Hi, Esme. Hi, Esme. Hi, Esme.
Hi, Liam.
Hi, Esme. Liam, back off a little bit. Oh, my goodness.
Liam, come back. I want to play snakes.
Oh, okay. Esme, you want to play snakes with us? I don't want to play snake. I want to play music. Okay, let's play music. I like music too. I like music. No, Liam, I just want to play by myself. Okay, Liam, sweetheart. I mean, she's still new. Okay, let's give her some space. You go play with Isla.
Yay.
Okay, I'll see you later, Esme. Come on, Isla. Oh, Esme, what'd you get for your little snack? Let's see what you got inside. Oh, nice. You got some raisins.
Yeah, can you open it for me?
Oh, there we go. Sure, we can share it with everybody.
Yeah.
All right, everybody's sharing their snacks. Oh, I think Jack's here. Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Jack's not feeling too good.
Oh, really? What's the matter?
He has a stuffy nose.
Oh, okay. Well, that's all right. Sometimes that happens. Okay, come on in, Jack. Say goodbye to your mom. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. It's nice to meet you. Hi. Who's here. I want to play.
Achoo.
Everybody, this is Jack. Jack, say hello to everybody. Oh, you got a little runny nose there, Jack. Oh, let me get you a Kleenex.
Okay.
Ugh. Yeah, get you a Kleenex, buddy. There we go. Let's wipe your nose. All right, all better. Hi, Jack. My name is Kitty.
Hi, Kitty.
Hi. You want to play?
Sure.
Mommy. Yes, Kitty. Jack isn't yucky. He's kind of cute, Mommy. Okay, Kitty. Well, you have fun with him, okay? Go play. Okay. Come on, Jack. Let's go play.
Okay.
Achoo. Oh, dear, Jack. Okay, Isla, go get the Kleenex, please.
Oh, okay.
Oh, dear. Okay, here, Jack. How about you blow your nose, buddy? Okay. Good job. Okay, I think somebody's sick. Okay, come over here, buddy. Oh, dear. I didn't realize he was this sick. Come on, Jack. Come over here. Jack, this is my caterpillar. His name is Henry. Cool, I like Henry. Yeah, me too. I like that he's all fuzzy. Achoo! Ew, mommy! Oh, Jack, you got another little runny nose? Okay. Oh, goodness, Jack! Ew, mommy! Ew, Jack, you're not my friend anymore. I'm sorry, Kitty. Oh, Jack, it's okay, buddy. It was just an accident. You're sick, honey. She'll get over it. Don't worry. Here, let me get your nose again. Oh, dear. Oh, you got it on your shirt?
Ooh.
Okay, let's get that too. Oh.
He got it
Anywhere
on Henry.
else? Henry? Oh, poor Henry. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's wipe Henry off. Oh. Oh, poor Henry. Sorry, Henry. I think you would be best if you had some chicken noodle soup. Would that make you feel better? Yeah. Maybe it's best to stay away from the kids right now, okay, until you're feeling better. Yeah. And then I think we might have to call your mom, because I think you might have to go home and get well. Okay, come on, Jack. Okay. Okay, Jack. Oh, goodness. Jack, my gosh, you must have the flu. You know what? I'm thinking it might be a good idea if we put some of this cold rub on you. Here, let's do that. That's for your chest, see? And it smells so good. It smells like eucalyptus. Okay, let's do that first, and then we'll give you some soup. Let's put some on your chest. There we go.
Here.
Oh, that smells so good. Okay, let's get rid of this stuff here.
Ugh, gross.
Yeah, we want to eat now. We don't want to have runny stuff all over. Here we go, Jack.
So, you know.
Okay, take it away. There we go. Good job. That's better. There we go. So let's give you some chicken noodle soup. See, it's got noodles. Do you see the noodles? And little pieces of chicken. But mostly noodles. Okay, here we go. Open wide. Good job. Oh, there you go. Chew it up. Perfect. A little bit more. I think this is going to make you feel so much better. It's too bad that you're not feeling well on your first day. But I have a feeling that you and Kitty are going to be good friends once you feel better. Okay, bud? Awesome. Great job. Okay, guys. Well, we finally have Jack settled. We put a mask on him because we don't want the other kids to get sick. So I hope you feel better, Jack. We called your mom, sweetie, and she's gonna come and get you soon, okay? So you just lie there and relax. Jack, I hope you feel better. I'm sorry I got mad at you. But I do hope you feel better, and next time we can play, okay? Oh, that's nice, Kitty. That's very sweet of you. Oh, Kitty, you need to go get some Kleenex, okay? Okay, ugh. Bye, Jack. Ugh, gross. I'm sorry that Jack's first visit with you guys, he was sick, but hopefully next time he'll have some more fun playing at the daycare.
Here you go, kitty.
So yeah, if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And of course, if you hope Jack feels better, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see more awesome videos. And we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Oh, stuffy nose. The heck was that?
It ripped.